Welcome to Canada InfoTax Pro. We offer a remote tax preparation solution for Canadians where you can fill out, sign, and submit your tax forms and documents right from the comfort of your home. No printing needed. We have solutions for every tax situation, including small businesses, crypto investments, and rental income. We're here to guide you through tax preparation from start to finish, ensuring the best possible results by maximizing refunds or minimizing your tax liability, using all tax credits, deductions, and exemptions that apply to your tax situation and niche industry. There's just 4 easy steps. Step 1, create your account. Step 2, connect with a tax professional through tax support and get a quote up front. Step 3, fill out your customer interview and upload documents securely. And Step 4, review and approve your return, and then we'll file it with the CRA for you. Creating your account. You can fill out our customer interview for the last 3 years, authorize us with CRA, create a support ticket, access your estimates, invoice payment history, and edit your profile. The customer interview. Our customer interview is a multi-step form that allows you to tell us about you, your marital status, about your dependents if any, other information such as rental or business income, your receipts such as any RRSP contributions or charitable donations, your T-slips, and finally, you can write a message to add information or details you'd like us to know, or ask us any questions and we'll get you an answer. Authorizing with CRA. Choose the easy and fast process of signing an electric authorization form to authorize Canada InfoTax Pro as your representative with the Canada Revenue Agency. You can e-sign your forms electronically without the hassle of a printer, scanner, or fax machine. Instead, e-sign your document online using a desktop, tablet, or mobile phone. Tax support. With our powerful support ticket, you can communicate with our tax professionals securely if you have any questions or want to add information or documents to your tax file. Our values. True to our commitment to practical action in favor of the environment, our online filing solution intends to minimize the impact on the environment through paperless transactions and is dedicated to saving the trees in Canada. Canada InfoTax Pro is looking forward to working with you.